Hello, my name is Julie Ruling and I work in the Business Services Department at the Lee's Summit School District. Today I'll be walking through the Employee Online portal with you. Employee Online is a web-based system that allows our employees to view and change their payroll and personal information, and it can be accessed from the staff page of the district website. So here we are at the district website. You're going to click on the Employee Online link and then click on the blue link that says Go to Employee Online. And here we are at the login page. Your user ID is your employee ID number, and your password the first time you get in is your full Social Security number with no dashes. Once you've got logged in, the system will prompt you to change your password to something other than your Social Security number. There is also a Forgot Login link that you can click on and just enter your email address. It'll send you a temporary password to get logged back in. So we're going to go ahead and get logged in. And first is the welcome page, and the welcome page is probably one of the most important pages in the system. This is going to tell you the deadline to make changes to your personal or payroll information for the next payroll. So this particular person, their next payday will be July 15th, and it's telling us that the request made in Employee Online prior to 11:59 p.m. on July 2nd will be considered for the check of July 15th. Well, first thing that we will look at is your personal information. If you click on the personal information, this is all the information that we have on you personally that we would like for you to review to make sure that we have it in here correctly. If you need to make a change, you can certainly do that by just typing over the information and then clicking on the Save button at the top. This is also where you can change your address if you've moved. You don't need to call us or come in. You can just change it right here. Just be sure to always click that Save button in the top right corner. The next thing that we are going to do is the emergency contacts. On this page, you will see a screen that you can add anyone that you would want us to contact should you have a medical emergency here at the district. So you can enter the name. We really just need the best way to contact them, which is typically a phone number, but you can enter as much information as necessary. You can designate more than one just by typing in and then clicking the Save button between each one. You can also designate a primary contact there in that little box there. Okay, the next thing we will go over is the payroll information link, and we're going to look at direct deposit. Direct deposit is mandatory for our employees, and on this screen there are some directions in red on how to set up your direct deposit, but we're going to go through that for you. If you click on the little plus sign, on the first box there is the bank. So you will want to type in your bank name, and you want to be sure that you're looking at the correct bank with the correct routing number. So once you have chosen the routing number and bank, you want to click on the little pencil there and enter your account information, or your account number. Then you want to choose whether it's a checking or savings account. And just be sure to save in the top right corner. The next thing we will look at is also in the payroll information is the check stub. Once you set up direct deposit, you will no longer get a paper pay stub. So you will actually come out here to view your pay stub, and it's going to list up to 50 of your past pay stubs, with the most current being at the top there. But you can also click on that pay codes definition there in the middle, and that will give you all the different pay codes that you could see on your check. You can look at those, and if you have any questions about what's being deducted, please give me a call and we'll be happy to help you. The next thing we will look at is the benefits and deduction link. There's a miscellaneous payroll deductions link out there that you can set up to have some deductions from your paycheck. The first one is the credit union deductions. And as a district employee, you are automatically a member of all three of these credit unions. You can choose to have money sent from your paycheck directly to an account at one of these credit unions, which just select which one, put in an amount, and then click Save. Okay, the next thing that we will look at under the miscellaneous payroll deductions link is the Kansas City earnings tax. A Kansas City earnings tax, if you live in Kansas City, you are required to set that up, and the district does not automatically set that up for you. So if you do live in Kansas City, you will need to come out here, just click on that link there, click the select box, and then click Save. You can set up HSA elections, change your amount of your HSA election. You can set up a deduction for the most 529 college savings plan. You can also set up for a few different charitable deductions, so United Way or Lee Summit Educational Foundation. There's also an employee directory that you can use. If you need to contact me for any reason, I'm going to type in my name, Julie Ruling, and you can just click search and it will give you my phone number and my email address. Okay, I think that concludes our presentation on the Employee Online system. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact me. I'd be happy to help. On that page, you want to always remember to log off in that top right corner.